Ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to announce the beginning of World Humanitarian Summit 2021, an initiative to spread peace and harmony through leading influencers from different walks of life.
During the World Humanitarian Summit, with the peace titles from WPDO, so that more and more people follow their footprints on the path of peace in order to make this world a better place to live in. We at World Peace and Diplomacy Organization WPDO are delighted to announce the opening of World Humanitarian Summit 2021, being organized and launched today on global social platforms by our organizing partner, Unified Brains Group, a leading brand management and business consulting firm and a media and publishing house powered by Passion Vista, one of the fastest growing luxury, lifestyle and business magazine. A platform where world leaders, diplomats, celebrities and professionals from across the globe will join hands to encourage the philanthropists and humanitarian leaders. This event is brought to you jointly with CIAC Global, our evaluation partner, and the chamber partner, Asian African Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Hello and welcome. This is Dr. G.D. Singh, founder and president for World Peace and Diplomacy Organization. I would like to welcome and congratulate all the winners, those who have participated in World Peace and Humanitarian Summit 2021.
We would now like to announce the World Humanitarian Awards 2021. Promoting humanity and peace through the sustainable leadership at World Peace and Diplomacy Organization, we recognize some very extraordinary individuals for their notable contribution to the society. To such highly inspired individuals, WPDO presents the most rewarded peace titles and awards. Let us now begin with the World Humanitarian Summit 2021, and our very first honoree of the evening is Princess Sanyogita Atre. She's been bestowed upon with the title of World Peace Ambassador. Her Excellency Princess Sanyogita Atre, a third-generation entrepreneur, and she comes from an established business and landlord family. Graduated from Delhi, she has an experience of 25 plus years in family business. Mrs. Atre, as of now, is the only first-generation female real estate developer in India and the only first female transnational real estate developer with presence in SAARC and South Africa.
Good evening to all those beautiful people there. So it's Princess Sangeeta Atri from India, Mumbai. How are you? So here, thank you so much for giving me this award of World Peace Ambassador from the World Peace Organization for the Summit of World and Humanitarian Organization on this auspicious day for 2021 April. So here is my message for all those beautiful people watching me out there, that when we see, I have done lots of work in all parts of the world, and whenever there's something really very challenging, the more my power comes. So first of all, you have to understand your power, your essence, your purpose. So when it comes to women organization, I want to convey this to all those beautiful women out there, that you have to understand your potential, your talent, your purpose, your essence. And for that, really you have to make that step forward, so that you can understand. I know it's difficult, it looks very easy when we talk, but trust me, once you start doing it, you will understand your purpose, you will understand your worth, your value, because all these women in this world are so beautiful, and I love them, all of them. Okay, so this is my message. You take your first step, and here I am for you. Thank you so much.
That was wonderful, ma'am. Thank you so much. Our next honoree for the evening is Prince Manvendra Singh Gohil, who has been bestowed upon with the title of World Peace Ambassador. Manvendra Singh Gohil is the Yuvraj of Rajpipla and the 39th direct descendant of the 650 years old Gohil dynasty. He is a human rights activist. He is the CEO founder and chairman of Lakshya Trust, which works for the empowerment of LGBTQ community in Gujarat. He is also the brand ambassador for AIDS Healthcare Foundation India Cares, the world's oldest and largest non-profit organization for HIV testing and treatments.
Hello everyone, this is Manvendra Singh Gohil, Prince of Rajpipla in Gujarat, India, and also a human rights activist. I am deeply honored and privileged to be bestowed upon the title of the World Peace Ambassador from the World Peace and Diplomacy Organization on the auspicious day of the World Peace and Humanitarian Summit 2021, based on the nomination and the subsequent selection by the board. I would also like to thank the board members of the organization, and a special thank to the President, Dr. G.D. Singh, for bestowing me this honorable title. This title is definitely going to motivate me to work towards the humanitarian cause and to bring about changes and support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals 2030. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Prince, for winning this coveted title. Moving forward to the evening, our next honoree is Haji Syed Salman Chishti, who has won the title of World Peace Ambassador. Haji Syed Salman Chishti is among the Sayyid-ul-Sadat and Chishti Sufi family of Ajmer Sharif. He is the 26th generation Gadi Nashin of globally acknowledged Dargah, Ajmer Sharif. Sufi shrine of the 11th century Sufi Grand Master Hazrat Khwaja Muhyiddin Hassan Chishti, of the chairman of Chishti Foundation.
Greeting of peace, adab, salam, namaste. This is Haji Syed Salman Chishti, Gadi Nashin, Dargah Ajmer Sharif, and Chairman Chishti Foundation. I extend my greetings and regards to World Diplomacy and Peace Organization headed by Dr. G.D. Singh, and we extend our gratitude in accepting the honor of bestowing an award for World Peace Ambassador by the organization which works directly under the UN Sustainable Development Goals. We are honored from Ajmer Dargah Sharif to accept this as an honor, as a service that we've been doing not only in India but around the world. So our regards and our du'as and blessings from Ajmer Dargah Sharif to all the organization members, and our message on this upcoming World Humanitarian Summit 2021 being organized by the UN and in India. It's been taken up by the organization World Peace and Diplomacy Center in Ahmedabad. headed by Dr. J.D. Singh. So our message from Ajmer Sharif is love towards all and malice towards none. And let's come together in realizing the UN Sustainable Development Goals and all the spiritual, the social responsibilities that is bestowed upon us as the sacred trust. Inshallah, that's our goal. All the best and regards and honored to receive the award.
Congratulations, sir, on winning this coveted title. And now we have with us our next honoree as Dr. Mustafa Sasa, who has won the coveted title of World Peace Ambassador. Dr. Mustafa Sasa, chairman of Raj Group of Companies, UAE, is a prominent Indian business magnate, social philanthropist, a renowned corporate speaker, mentor, mindset and leadership coach, certified by world's #1 leadership coach, Marshall Goldsmith. He is a serial entrepreneur, having diverse business experience internationally, representing many prestigious organizations around the globe. And he also is known for his CSR work in education and water.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is with great honor and humility I would like to thank World Peace Diplomacy Organization for honoring me with the title of World Peace Ambassador. I deeply feel honored and humbled that you gave this prestigious award to me. I believe that any honor and award is the recognition of the true values of altruism, love, compassion, and non-violence, which we all try to practice in accordance with the teachings of humanity from around the world. I congratulate respected Dr. G.D. Singh ji for such a wonderful work done by him in World Peace Diplomacy Organization and many other esteemed organizations he is heading. No matter what part of the world we come from, we are all basically the same human being. We all seek happiness and try to avoid suffering. We have same basic human needs and its concerns. As a human being, we should always try to end suffering of the other people and make sure we don't indulge in inflicting suffering upon others. I believe all religions pursue the same values
I shall continue to serve all those in need and try my best to spread peace and kindness to all the communities.
That was very sweet, ma'am. Thank you so much and congratulations. Moving forward, our next honoree is Julie Desai, who has won the coveted title of World Peace Messenger. Julie Desai is a lawyer and human rights activist. She is a well-known humanitarian and social lobbyist and have contributed astonishingly in the area of human rights, sexual direction, correspondence, and social distancing. She has been involved in various business organizations and has served to the Trade and Investment Committee and was instrumental in promoting trade between India and various countries. Currently, she is the honorary advisory to the Asian African Chamber of Commerce and Industry and many more.
I am Julie Desai. I am a lawyer and a human rights activist. I would like to express my gratitude to the World Peace and Diplomacy Organization for choosing me to be a World Peace Messenger. I am extremely grateful for this honor. Through my work, I have been able to reach out to amazing women from around the world who are making a difference and are featured on my YouTube channel. These amazing girls are taking on plethora of initiatives like human trafficking, reproductive health of girls, working in a war zone, working with girls' education to support United Nations Sustainable Goals 2030. We have created a consortia of amazing NGO from around the world, which I support as part of my work to take each and every initiative forward as in an advisory capability. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Ms. Desai. That was nice. And now, our next honoree of the evening is Ms. Pavni Adre, and WPDO bestows her with World Peace Messenger title. Pavni is a trained actress from New York, popularly seen in the TV commercials, short films, a bit of theatre, featured films, and web series. She's also involved with Her Excellency Princess Sanyogita Atre in the World Peace, women empowerment, girl child education and development activities in the various African countries, along with Tunisia, Egypt, Johannesburg, India, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Morocco and Nepal.
Hi, I'm Pavni Atre, and I'm very elated to accept this honor of receiving the precious title of World Peace Messenger from the World Peace and Humanitarian Summit 2021, based on nominations and subsequent selection by the board. My message to the youth and to the world as a World Peace Messenger is that all of us are World Peace Messengers. We're all messengers in our own way as humans. Everything you do, you say, has a power. So always be kind. When you're kind to a person, someone else is kind to some other person, and so, the chain goes on. As Gandhiji very rightly once said that there is no path to peace, for peace is the path. And so I believe that one can start peace when you're peaceful within yourself, with yourself. So I would say peace starts within. This would mean that when you talk about being kind, first always be kind to yourself. How you speak to yourself, the relationship you have with yourself, that really keeps, it sets a tone for the relationship that you have with the rest of the world. So always be kind with yourself, be kind to your neighbors, be kind to the people around you, always be compassionate. Never judge people based on, their caste, their religion, their color, their sex. Always help people when you can. Never turn a blind eye. If you see a person in need, for anything, don't pretend like you don't see them. Do something, make a change, because that's what we're here for, right? When you see children, teach them how to love animals, how to be compassionate and how to be kind towards animals, because we share this earth with a lot of other living beings that have equal rights on the planet, just as we do. So let us together make this earth a nice, beautiful place again for the youth to come, for the generation to come. Let them have an equal, healthy, green, beautiful earth. So join me and support me with the UN Sustainable Development Goals 2030. Thank you so much for choosing me once again to be World Peace Messenger. I hope that I can, in this journey, I would have all of you join me as with all World Peace Messengers. Thank you so much.
That was wonderful speech, Pavni. Very well articulated. Congratulations. Moving forward, our next honoree of the evening is Mavaina Manav Mansi, who is bestowed upon with the title of World Peace Messenger. Mavaina Manav Mansi, a global goodwill ambassador in USA, state chairperson Youth Wing NHRHF in India. I must say, at a young age, she's been held upon with a lot of responsibilities and doing great work for the country and society.
Hi everyone, this is Mavaina Manav. I am very much delighted to receive this honor of Youth Peace Messenger by the World Peace and Diplomacy Organization on this auspicious day of World Peace and Humanitarian Summit 2021. I thank all the board members for selecting me. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Mavaina. And now we have with us Dr. Rita Jairath, who has been bestowed upon with the title of World Peace Messenger. Dr. Rita Jairath is one of the pioneering athletes in women's bodybuilding from India. She has won the prestigious Pro card from the International Federation of Bodybuilding as well as various national and international bodybuilding accolades. She is an IFBB Pro League International judge, a Bharatanatyam dancer, and a student of Kalapariyattu.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rita Jairath, IFBB Pro Athlete and IFBB Pro League International Judge. I am delighted to receive the World Peace Messenger title from the World Peace and Diplomacy Organization on the auspicious occasion of World Peace and Humanitarian Summit 2021 based on nomination and selection by the board. I am extremely grateful to the board for bestowing me with this honor. Human life is precious and we must value the presence of life, and we can live our life to the fullest only if we are truly strong, fit and healthy. My vision is to promote awareness about health and wellness and also about mental health issues. I strongly support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals 2030.
Congratulations, Doctor. That was wonderful. Going forward, our next honoree of the evening is Victoria Samushonga, who has been given WPDO's coveted title of World Peace Messenger. Victoria Samushonga is development driven. She always believes that if something is not available, then make it happen. She is the founder of Bread Keeper, president of Bologna Support Foundation, a partner in a global fashion company led by very acclaimed Ramesh Basmaji known as Fabulous.
Hi, I am Apostle Victoria Samushonga and I am very elated and honored to receive the precious and prestigious World Peace Messenger Award from the World Peace and Diplomacy Organization on the auspicious Day of World Peace and Humanitarian Summit 2021 based on nomination and subsequent selection by the board. It has actually come at a time when the world is ravaged by the pandemic, and I would like to just say united we stand and divided we fall. So let us just gather together and embrace each other regardless of color, race, nationality, and we be one. And I also support the UN Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. Thank you very much for this precious award.
Congratulations, Victoria, on winning this coveted title of World Peace Messenger. Going forward with the awards, we have the very coveted World Peace and Diplomacy Organization's Paramount Medallion honors and accolades. To begin with, our very first honoree of the evening is Colonel Lalit Rai, who is being titled with CN of Magna Mater. Colonel Lalit Rai, a former Indian Army officer who was decorated for his brave actions during the Kargil War in 1999. For his inspirational leadership and conspicuous bravery of a very high order, he was a us Major Muhammad Ali Shah as our next honoree who has been titled with the Medal of Valor. Muhammad Major Ali Shah, a veteran and Iron Grade, is also an international TEDx speaker with the highest number of TEDx talks given in the world. He is also a TV panelist, award-winning actor, member of the board of International Film Festival of Australia, and a visiting faculty at the Whistling Woods International.
of the veteran community possess in ample measure. Moreover, as a committed disaster management and disaster risk reduction subject matter expert, I fully support and endorse the UN Sustainable Development Goals 2030. Thank you.
You are such an inspiration, Colonel. Congratulations on winning the title. Going forward, we have with us Shefali Chopra, who has won the coveted title of Illustrious Humanitarian Service Honor. Shefali Chopra is a ray of sunshine, a compassionate seeker, dream catcher, and a motivational TEDx speaker who is also theatre exponent. An involved and an evolved speaker, rewiring the minds from negative to being positive. Shefali is considered to be the epitome of positivity, and one can never escape her infectious smile.
Hi, I'm Shefali Chopra. I'm extremely excited to receive this prestigious, illustrious humanitarian service honor from the World Peace and Diplomacy Organization on this auspicious day of World Peace and Humanitarian Summit 2021. Based on the nomination and subsequent selection by the board, I support UN Sustainable Development Goals 2030. Thank you so much.
Indeed, it's said it correct. You have a very infectious smile, Ms. Chopra. Congratulations on winning the title. Going forward, we have with us Dr. Himanshu Pandya, who has received the Illustrious Humanitarian Service Honor from World Peace and Humanitarian Organization. Dr. Himanshu Pandya is currently a Regional Director for AAPI New York. AAPI, that is American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, which represents more than 1 lakh Indian physicians and 20,000 resident students in the USA. He is the immediate past president for AAPI-QLI, that is American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, Queens Island, which has more than 850 active physician members for the year 2019.
Hello, I'm Dr. Himanshu Pandya from New York City. I am delighted and honored to accept this Illustrious Humanitarian Service Award from the World Peace and Diplomacy Organization on the auspicious day of World Peace and Humanitarian Summit 2021. I would like to thank Nomination and Selection Board for acknowledging me suitable for this award. To me, purpose of life is not only happiness. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, and to have a positive impact in someone's life. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much for all humanitarian causes, including this pandemic. Let's support United Nations Sustainable Development Goals 2030. Thank you.
Congratulations, Doctor. Very well deserved. Ravi Kalra, the founder of Earth Savior Foundation, is popularly known as a Karma Yogi, a social activist and environmentalist. Mr. Kalra is known as the No Honking Man of India for his Do Not Honk campaign to control the noise pollution caused by the unnecessarily vehicular honking.
हेलो जी, मेरा नाम रवि कालरा है और मैं दी अर्थ सेवियर्स फाउंडेशन एनजीओ का संस्थापक हूँ और आज मैं बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहा हूँ कि वर्ल्ड पीस एंड डिप्लोमेसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने हमें स्काइन ऑफ मेगा मैटर्स नामक अवार्ड के लिए सेलेक्ट किया है और ये जो अवार्ड है ये वर्ल्ड पीस एंड ह्यूमैनिटेरियन समिट 2021 के उपलक्ष्य में दिया जा रहा है। और इस अवार्ड को मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि जिन जिन लोगों को दिया जा रहा है वो इसके लिए बहुत डिज़र्विंग हैं और उनको ये अवार्ड ज़रूर दिया जाना चाहिए। इससे उन सभी में और ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा और कुछ लोग समाज के लिए बिल्कुल तत्पर हैं, वो उन्होंने अपना जीवन समर्पित किया हुआ है, उनको ये अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है। इसके लिए मैं उन सभी को बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता हूँ। और जिन लोगों ने पर्यावरण को अच्छा बनाने के लिए निस्वार्थ काम किए या नदियों को पोल्यूट होने से लोग बचा रहे हैं, वाटर क्राइसिस को दूर कर रहे हैं, जीव जंतुओं की सेवा कर रहे हैं, गरीब बच्चों को भीख मांगने से बचा रहे हैं, पर्यावरण पर जैसे कि पेड़ पौधों का कटना पेड़ पौधों को कटने से बचाना, इसके ऊपर कार्य कर रहे हैं। तो मैं वर्ल्ड पीस एंड डिप्लोमेसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं कि उन्होंने एक बहुत ही मीनिंगफुल अवार्ड का आयोजन किया है और एक समिट का आयोजन किया है। इसके लिए मुझे भी उसमें सेलेक्ट किया, इसके लिए मैं इनका बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं और आपकी पूरी टीम को भी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता हूं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर काइंडनेस। थैंक यू।
That was wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for great initiatives which you take, and I must say that you are an inspiration to the generations to come. With this, I can totally say I'm completely charged up with the inspirational people we just saw. There is surely a lot to learn, unlearn and relearn, because we are always a learner in our life. Hence, congratulations to all the recipients of World Peace and Diplomacy Organization Peace titles. With this, we would like to conclude the World Humanitarian Summit and Awards 2021. We thank you all for sitting patiently throughout the peace titles and for encouraging and supporting WPDO's peace advocates who have